I have a great
Daddy, what are otters?
imagination.
Did you really just read imagination? Gus, that's an awesome word. I'm so proud of you.
J. I can jump and juggle.
Good.
I am kind. I am a good leader.
Very
Daddy,
good.
isn't that the kind you see at the zoo? The sea otter?
Sometimes I make mistakes. And sometimes
Badgers is
I'm
the
nosy.
spotted skunk.
Nosy.
I love to play outside.
Badger.
I try to be polite.
Daddy, what are elephants? Are they mammals?
I like quiet time, so I can.
Yeah, elephants are mammals, aren't they, Daddy? Good sneezing.
They have a little. Yeah, they have little hair on the top of them. Like,
Does that make them a mammal or something else?
some
here's the
mammals have
elephant.
hair.
Do all mammals have hair?
Yes.
One of these has to be
Good.
extinct.
I am
Because
good
the,
at
Daddy,
swimming.
aren't the, one of the
Good.
elephants are supposed to be
I
extinct because
am
the,
talented.
Oh my gosh, good
Yeah.
word.
Yeah.
And the mastodon.
That's a hard one.
Look at me. I'm
That's a hard one.
manatees.
This one's tricky because instead of following the rule, it's you. You even without a bossy E. I'm
good.
unique.
Mhm. I try
What you got?
to eat all my vegetables.
Dugong and manatee.
Where do we see manatees? You remember?
No.
Remember the manatees in Florida?
W.
Oh.
By our hotel?
I like to make wishes. X.
Hard.
Kisses.
Hard.
Hugs.
Mommy's favorite.
Y. Yawn. I
Hey, that's
need a
extinct.
good
Horse wild.
night.
Daddy, look, it's extinct.
So
Horse wild.
tomorrow
Horse.
I can zoom on.
Yeah.
Good job, Gussie. How old are you?
6.
Did you just read an entire book by yourself?
Not entire.
Uh-huh.
Because I knew.
Oh, what was that word?
I
Lightning.
forgot.
Unique.
Daddy, what's in these lightning
That was tricky.
things?
Good job, honey. I'm proud of you.